Good morning, my fellow Jamaicans. Good morning. It is Sunday morning, and it's a few days after the hurricane. So I'm hoping this message finds you safe and well. I know that Hurricane Beryl has left many of you facing challenging times, but I want you to know that you are not alone in this. There are many who will help you get through this difficult period. First and foremost, I want to acknowledge the impact that Hurricane Beryl has had on our communities. The destruction and disruption it has caused are deeply upsetting, and many are experiencing feelings of loss, fear, and uncertainty. It's okay to feel overwhelmed right now because these emotions are a natural response to such a challenging situation. The trauma is real. Just please do not lose hope. Amidst this adversity, I am continually amazed by the strength and resilience of our people. We have come together to support one another, offering help and comfort where it is needed most. This solidarity is a testament to the spirit of Jamaica and the unwavering determination of its people. More power to you, Jamaica. As we begin to assess and rebuild, it's important to hold on to hope. The road ahead may be long, but each step we take forward brings us closer to recovery. Together we will rebuild our homes, our businesses, our schools, our clinics, our roads, and our lives. We have faced challenges before, right? Ivan, Gilbert, we have faced them all. And emerge stronger. And I have no doubt that we will do it again. For those who need assistance, whether it's practical help, emotional support, or simply someone to talk to, please reach out because there are organizations and volunteers ready to lend a hand and provide the resources you need to navigate this difficult time. So in conclusion, let me say this to us. Let us all continue to support one another with kindness and compassion. Let's be patient with ourselves and with each other as we work through the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl. Together we are resilient, and together we will overcome this challenge, right? Together we are stronger. No man is an island, no man stands alone. Each of us have been affected differently. Each of us has had challenges prior to the hurricane, and the hurricane came and had a huge bit more of challenges, and so it becomes tougher. So let us not, let us not look down on those who dealt with it differently, or every one of us, we handle our situations differently. And so let us just not push people down or make people feel less because they are hopeless. Their reasons are different. Some might be hopeless. My friend who lost her roof mom has a medical condition to deal with, and they were dealing with a lot of stuff before the hurricane came. Hurricane came to their roof of their house, and it just made it worse for them. So yes, they might react in a different way, but let us just help them to find hope and to just support them where they're weak. Those of us who look at the farmlands being destroyed, and my friend reached out, she says, oh, the farmlands in Jamaica are destroyed. We're going to die for hunger. Jamaicans won't die for hunger because they're going to rebuild. And believe me, they will never die for hunger. So, again, thank you for all your strength, your courage, and your unwavering spirit. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones. And remember, brighter days are ahead. We've been there before. We've been there before. And people come out in droves and they help and they rebuild. I watched some videos, and as I watched them, I felt good inside. When I see young people with their machete, their shovel, you know, their sticks, and they're heading down and they're chopping off tree limbs that are blocking streets, and they're shoveling up dirt and the rocks and pushing them back out the streets. So people are out there helping. I see others with their chainsaws ready to go out, whether they're selling the service or not. And those who can afford to, they will do it, and I'm sure they will do it for those who cannot afford it as well. But they're out there and they're doing and they're cleaning up. The Davis family, a big shout out to you guys. As they lighted out, they were out there quickly. Their yards were looking again like there were not a tree fell down in there, or, you know, they cleaned up, and everybody heading out and just doing their bit. A lot of people are showing the devastation, but a lot of people are helping to clean up again. Holland bamboo, the bamboo's blocking that beautiful little scenic thoroughfare there, but quickly people are there with their machetes, young people with their machetes just chopping down and cleaning up, and so it makes you feel good. You know, it's one thing to be just showing videos of the destruction, but it makes me feel great when I see people out there not focusing on the destruction, but getting the place ready to start again. So thanks to all of you who have been doing what you need to do, and those of you who are not able, make sure you provide a bottle of water, make sure you provide a cup of hot something or warm, cold something for them as they go through and help to rebuild beautiful Jamaica. So we know when we live by the water, that's how it is. So soon it will be my home as well, and again, and you know, I hope that I would be able to give back in some shape or form. I do have a degree in behavioral science, so I'm hoping when I get home and get settled, that's something I'll be able to do with my education background, to give back to the school communities, and with my behavioral science background, we'll be able to give counseling to those who need it. So I'm not going home to sit, guys. I want to go home and be productive. I want to give back as much as I can do. So stay blessed, Jamaica, because you're blessed, and continue to do the work you do, building together, because unity is strength, right? United. It says, united we stand, but when we're divided, we're going to fall. So let's stay with strength, guys. Let's stay in the, you know, continue to build. Don't sit and talk what the government need to do, the government need to do. People have to get up and do. And I like what I'm seeing, that people are not diverted to videos that are showing people blaming government and doing this. Government can't do everything. Government can't do everything. We, the people, have to get up and do our part, and so that our lives can be more fulfilling. Take good care of yourselves. It can be good. Be careful out there. What good, do good. Remember to pray, because prayer does work. And yeah, I did do my writings, and because I thought about it ever since the hurricane ended, and I started seeing the videos of people chopping down, clearing the roads. helping people to rebuild, to put back roofs on houses and all of that. So I just wanted to send this message today to each and every one of you, and each and every one of us. Me too. I'm Jamaican through and through. Take good care, my people. Love to all of you.
Yeah, man, right now, this is going on Island Bamboo, yeah, brother. So, I say, this is going on right now. I make like bamboo. Bamboo set away.
Yo, give me soon, man. Check out her, you know? More police in there. Like I got into one of them one day. I walk the road, is out there, look for any local road block or any local tree in the area, we'll cut them down. The store don't move them out of the road. And we clean up and right now I first me see from me born at the first me witness. You can say majority of the community and other work surrounding in the community, workplace surrounding the community. At the first me witness so much people come out and clear the road. Black. Come out and clear the road. At first me see this. No? You don't have money to get more than one shovel. And if the shovel too small, I get a loss. Yeah, right, you know. I don't give me no more time video, not even 1 minute and a year one. What me a pay for? If you walk in the backside of my video, so backside.